What is accounting theory? Accounting theory is a set of ideas, concepts, and principles that explain how accounting works. It provides the logical foundation for accounting rules and practices. In simple words, accounting theory explains why accountants follow certain methods and rules. Accounting theory helps guide the preparation of financial statements. It explains how financial information should be recorded, measured, and reported. Accounting theory supports the development of accounting standards. It helps ensure financial reports are consistent, reliable, and useful. Accounting theory is based on assumptions, concepts, and principles. These include ideas like the business entity concept, going concern concept, and matching principle. Accounting theory helps accountants make better decisions when recording transactions. It also helps users understand financial information clearly. Researchers and accounting professionals develop accounting theory through study and experience. Accounting theory improves transparency and trust in financial reporting. Without accounting theory, accounting practices would be inconsistent. In simple terms, accounting theory is the thinking and reasoning behind accounting rules. Easy way to remember. Accounting theory explains the why behind accounting.